Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. First impression matters. Understand the intricacies of editing the header in WordPress. Make impactful changes to your site's top section, ensuring a user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing navigation experience. So guys, without no further talking, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, having a header in your WordPress site or in your site in general, it's pretty important. So here I am now on my website and I pretty much feel lost already. Well, I know that I am on a homepage. This is the logo of the site as it seems, but where is the menu? Like, what is this website for? Does it have sections? Does it have pages? Or is it just one page website? What is it exactly? And who made this website in the first place? So this is the important cause of adding the header to your site, and why you should always include the menu on your header unless you have something like so, which is basically this kind of menu that you have to click on these 3 points and add it. And even if you do have it like so, you have to actually add it somehow to be appearing more to people. You can't really leave like a road between the logo and like this menu button to only see the menu. It feels so empty in here. So in this video specifically, we're gonna work on how we can edit the header on your WordPress website. So the first thing normally that I would do is to click on customize, and here as you can see you can find all the settings about your website. For example, here you'll find the name of the page or the blog, here the theme, and here if you went all the way down you can find site identity, colors, menus, widget. In the widget you would be able to, as the themes has 6 widgets area, but this particular page does not display them, you can navigate to other pages on your site while using the customizer to view and edit the widget. So here in our case we need to only edit the header, so simply just head up to the header as you can see right here. So the header has 6 menus or 6 settings in general. So here we're starting with the general settings. It is basically the style of the header itself. So this is basically, as you can see, the size of the header, how you want it to be in heights. So normally let's keep it as it is. This seems to be good. You want the header to be full width or to be like so. For me, I would like it to be like so. I don't like the logo to be and like these buttons to be so much separated already, because they are so close already. We don't want them to be so much separated. Here you have the background color, so you can keep it as you want, whatever color you want. For me, I'm just keeping it as a white color. Here for the button, if there was any buttons in the header, this is the color that will be added to it. And basically here for screen header settings, for example, I don't know what's this hamburger with, but basically it's this yeah, this is basically the hamburger, so they are calling it hamburger somehow, right? So basically hamburger is the button or the button of the menu, so it seems like it's called hamburger. Well, I would like to add some height to it so it can be having bigger size. I don't like it to be like that, so like a lot of gaps between the lines. Yeah, they feel so weird, so let's keep them close a bit. Here we can add transparent header, which is basically header that is transparent. I don't like it. Here the logo, to add it you can click here and add it, but for me we just have to keep it simple, keep the logo that comes with the actual template. Here we have the header media. So here in this header media we have 2 main options. So the header video, which is upload your video in MP4. It can be like simply a video in the header. There is the header image, there is a current header, what it has basically, so depending on what you have. Here the overlay color, position of what you have added from header, a video or image, and this is it for the header media. Now for the logo, basically, which is the image that we have right here, this is it. So you can here make it big, small, or whatever size you would like it to be. You can add like a max size per pixels, max height and max width, so you can really edit it as long as you want it to be, the size that you want it to be in. And finally, the most important thing that we talked about is the menu. The menu, I want it to be normally as text. So how can we do that in this platform or in this website? Well, basically it is pretty much hard to do so. So here, let me just choose. So as you can see here, we can't really add the menu to the header because the template itself comes with it that way. So in case you would like to actually change the menu or something like that, well, here as you can see, you might be able to add it in the header, but still it's pretty much hard to add it in some templates. If you want here to menus and you want it primary, here in here there is nothing actually. Let's add it to top bar. Well, you can add it somehow if you really figure it out. Here let's add it to everything, but still as you can see it's not being added because this is basically the main menu in here. So these buttons are being the main menu, so we can't really change it for this template because this template is made like that. For you guys, for your templates, it can be a lot different. You can be like, for example, you might not have this hamburger icon which includes the menu in your website, so you will have normally a normal website, which is perfectly good for you. Now also there is social menu, which is basically in case you would like to enable social menu, which is social media icons to be added. For example, you want to add it here, colored, you want it to be which color, so something like that. As you can see here, it's gonna be like so with colors. You can hover on them and they will take you to your social media page in case you would like to go to these pages or your visitor would like to go to these pages, so they can be like following you in your social medias, and you can update them on every single update that you have made in your site. There is finally here, as you can see, the mobile menu. Well, for us in this platform or in this template, as I said, it doesn't really make any difference. Menu, like mobile menu, PC menu, iPad menu, PlayStation menu, it doesn't really matter because we don't really own a menu in here. We have only the hamburger menu, which makes me so hungry at the moment. As I said, guys, yeah, for you, you have to change it really to adapt your template. You have to update your template to make it really have a menu normally like any other website, to help people navigate through your website and not make them get lost inside of it. And yeah, guys, this is basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you a lot, guys, for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.